Ito pangawak. Ice cream yummy. Sunod. Ice cream. Kanta ka muna. Ice cream yummy.
Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good.
Chicken yummy pala to.
Dingin
Chicken yummy. Chicken yummy. Ice cream but chicken yummy. Lagyan natin ng pork and beans, guys. Ito, guys. Maya-maya. I-toast mo natin siya. I-toasted mo natin siya. Fry natin siya, guys. Fry. Para malong sumarap. Bawasan natin ng oil. Kasi maraming oil, guys. Wait lang. Ice cream yummy. Chicken yummy. Chicken yummy. Bukas natin, guys, ng oil. Kasi maraming oil. Chicken yummy. And guys. Tapos, lagyan na natin ang pork and beans. Oh no. Ang pork and beans daw, guys, is pampatalino. Kaya kamain ang mga bata nito. Kasi para tumalino. O, dalawa kaya ilagay ko. Okay lang to. Dalawa ito. Malagay pa.
Oo, dalawin mo na.
Dalawa na. Chicken yummy. Chicken joy. Ba't parang ang bilang naman ng isa? Ang bilang naman ng isa. Ito madami. Chicken yummy with pork and beans. Chicken yummy. Then guys, yan. Gawin natin. Then lagyan natin ng konting tubig yan later. Wait lang. Lagyan natin konting tubig. Hot tubig. Hot water. Hot water. Okay, guys. And then, tapang pa ba natin? And guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Yung chicken. Okay, takpan natin. Chicken yummy with pork and beans. Bro. Matikuwang yung kawali.